Welcome to OSR YouTube channel.
OSR Easy Learning. In this video, we will be covering Chapter 1 Building with Bricks of NCERT Book 4 textbook Maths Magic for Class 4. We will be using some extra material for easy understanding and proper development of skills. Our endeavor is to keep the video simple and interesting. You are advised to get the corresponding hard copy of book or download it from NCERT website at https://ncert.nic.in/textbook.php. Polygons. What is a polygon? A polygon is a two-dimensional or flat or plane geometric figure that has a finite or countable number of straight sides. Two-dimensional means that it can be drawn on a piece of paper. A polygon doesn't have curved sides. A circle is also a plane figure, but it is not considered a polygon. Why? Because circle has curved and not straight sides. If the number of sides increase in a regular polygon, then its shape will start getting closer to a circle. Second image will show us how. A polygon has minimum 3 sides. Each polygon name or type has first portion in red color. This red color is a Latin or Greek name for a number. For example, tri means 3, quadri means 4, penta means 5, hexa means 6, hepta means 7, octa means 8, nona means 9, deca means 10. In this figure, we see how the shape of regular polygon changes as number of sides change. We also notice as the number of sides increase, the polygon starts looking more like a circle. Can you observe? A pattern has regularity that repeats in a predictable manner. A geometric pattern is a kind of pattern formed of geometric shapes and typically repeated like a wallpaper design. Brick patterns for Jagrati School. This is the true story of Jagrati School in Murshidabad, West Bengal. When its building was being made, there was a plan to make brick patterns on the floor and walls. Jamal, Kalu, and PR were the masons for the brickwork. They wanted to get new ideas for the school building. So they took their other friends to see the old tomb of Murshid Quli Khan. This is the tomb. This building has a big floor with about 2000 beautiful brick patterns. These were made by mason long back, about 300 years ago. Bricks floor patterns. Look how the bricks are arranged in these 5 floor patterns. Wow, they look beautiful, isn't it, guys? Which floor pattern do you like the most? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5? Everyone may like different pattern, but I personally like pattern number 5. Have you seen such patterns anywhere? Very difficult to see in modern buildings. Lots of old buildings, forts, etc. have such patterns. The masons came back excited. Jamal said, "Ah, in those days they had made so many interesting brick patterns. We had forgotten these. Let us make some nice designs on the floor of this school." Each mason made a different brick pattern. The school is proud to have such a beautiful building. Children play and sing on it and also make new patterns themselves. Which pattern is made in a circle? Yes, guys? The pattern J only is made in a circle. right? In which pattern can you show mirror halves? Draw a line. Now, what is a mirror half? When you stand in front of a mirror, you see your image in front of you. Mirror half is like that only. For example, letter M has mirror half line vertically splitting it. Letter F doesn't have a mirror half line. See if you can draw such a line in these patterns. If yes, then they have mirror halves. Figure A has been done for your understanding. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 mirror half lines. Now you draw some new floor patterns. Revisiting patterns. Please remember this definition. Face, edge and vertex. In a three-dimensional figure 3D, a face is a flat surface. An edge is where two faces meet. A vertex is a corner where edges meet. The plural is vertices. These are two photos of the same brick. In one photo, we can see only one face of the brick. In the other, we can see three faces. Circle the photo showing three faces. Obviously, it's the first one. How many faces in all does a brick have? All cuboids have 6 faces. Brick is also a cuboid. So a brick has 6 faces. 3 faces we can see in the above figure and the other 3 faces are behind each face we are seeing. For similarity, check a dice. It has 6 numbers from 1 to 6. Each number is put on a different face. Is any face a square? No, all faces of a brick are rectangular and each side is of different length. So none of the faces is square. Draw the smallest face of a brick. You can draw something like this. Face, edge and vertex. Which of these are faces of a brick? Yes guys? First this one and this one. Which of this is a drawing of a brick? This is a drawing of a brick and this too. Make a drawing of this box to show 3 of its faces. This you have to do yourself guys at home. Right? Can you make a drawing of a brick which shows 4 of its faces? A brick has 6 sides. You can't look at two opposite sides at the same time as opposite sides of a brick are parallel to each other. So at a time you can see maximum of only 3 sides of a brick. Why? Because other 3 sides can't be seen as they are opposite to one of these 3 sides that you can see. A wall that will not fall. One day, Munia and Zainab are playing with bricks and making their walls. Each makes a different wall. Zainab says her wall will not fall easily. Masons do not put bricks one on top of the other as Munia has done. What do you think? Which wall will be stronger? If the edges all lined up like what Munia did, you could pull out the bottom brick and all the bricks above it would have very little support. This will make wall weak. With staggered bricks like what Zainab did, each brick is supported by 2 bricks below it so that even if one brick is lost, other bricks will have support, making wall stronger. Different wall patterns. Here are photos of 3 kinds of brick walls. Can you see the difference in the way the bricks are placed? Now match the photo of each wall with the correct drawing below. So first one will go with the second one, second with third, and third with first. Looking through a brick jali, the masons who built Jagrati school had also made different jali patterns on the walls. How many different jali patterns can you see in these two photos? Yes, guys, count please. Each visible wall section has a different jali pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So total 9 jali patterns are visible on these two walls. Another jali pattern. Please practice making your own jali in your notebook. You can download your notebook from the link at the bottom of this video's page. More brick jali. This jali is from a library building in Kerala. See how the edge of the bricks is used to make a triangle in the wall. Bricks can look like triangles. For this, one half of the brick has to be hidden such that remaining half has its vertex pointing outwards. Image at the right side too has a triangular portion of brick visible. These bricks have been placed around the tree to make a ridge to hold water. Jharoka in Indian architecture is a stone window or an overhanging balcony projecting from the wall of a building. It is on an upper story overlooking a street, market, court, or any other open space. Arches. Do you see the arch in the below photo? This is from a school in Faizabad. Have you seen arches in a bridge like in the picture below? Where else have you seen an arch? Yes, guys, come on, tell me. You can find arches at many places like under bridges, many old monuments, museums, railway station, temples, etc. Arches. In this photo from Orcha, see how the arch is made. It has a nice name, Ghungat Wali Mehrab, the arch with a veil. Isn't the jali of this window beautiful? It is made of thin bricks. Have you ever seen thin bricks? Look around. Back to story. Jamal and Kalu, the masons of Jagrati school, said that their grandfathers used many different kinds of bricks. Some of these are shown in this photo. Which of these bricks have curved edges? Can you guess? Yes, first one, this one, and yes, this one as well. Second one, any else? Third one, yes, this too has curved edge. How many faces do you see of the longest brick? Now, where is the longest brick? This one. Generally, we can see three sides of a cuboid, but in this figure, only two faces are visible. Is there any brick which has more than six faces? Interesting. Yes, one of the bricks has more than six faces. It is the star-shaped brick. Have you seen bricks of different sizes? Guys, pause the video and think about it. Take one brick and measure it. How long is it? Generally, bricks are 9 inch in length. How wide is it? Generally, bricks are 4 inch in width. How high is it? Generally, bricks are 3 inch in height. Munia wants to make a wall 1 meter long. How many bricks will she need to put in a line? Wow, interesting, right? Generally, bricks are 9 inch in length. 1 meter has approximate 39 inches. So Munia would need 39 by 9 bricks or 4 and 1 by 3 bricks. Since Munia can't get 1 by 3 brick, we'll have to take one full brick, so Munia will need total 5 bricks. Brick kiln. Ganesh and Sahiba live near a kiln where bricks are made. Can you guess how high is the chimney here? Is it about 5 meters, 15 or 50? Yes guys? A brick kiln chimney operates under the natural rod provided by the chimney, 30 to 40 meters high, located at the center of the kiln. Also, brick kilns release toxic pollutants that seriously affect human health. This toxic black smoke, black carbon, should be released much higher in the air. So the answer is C, that is 50 meters. Brick kiln. Ganesh and Sahiba love to look at the pattern of bricks in the long lines kept out to dry. They also watch how bricks are made. Here are 4 pictures from the brick kiln. These pictures are jumbled up. Look at them carefully. Write the correct order. Yes guys, A, B, C, D. First, the soil is prepared by cleaning it and mixing it with other raw materials. After that, the soil is put in a mill by thoroughly breaking, watering and kneading it. Then bricks are molded in many different ways. Most common method is hand molding and machine molding. Now the bricks are kept for drying. After drying, the bricks are fired to high temperature in furnace. In India, mostly kilns are used for burning. So our correct order would be C, D, B, A. Brick kiln. Have you seen a brick kiln? Did you try to guess the number of bricks kept there? Yes? It depends on the size of the kiln. Generally, 10,000 to 50,000 bricks are kept in a kiln at a time. There are many brick kilns in India, thousands of them, more than 100,000. Can you imagine how big this number is? This number is also called 1 lakh. Can you try to write it? Ask your friends whether they have heard of a lakh. Look at these photos and guess how many bricks are carried by this truck. Also find out from a truck driver how many bricks they can carry in one truck. Any guesses, guys? In the first picture, we can see 7 rows of bricks. 7 more may be down the covered area. So total around 14 rows, right? In the second picture, we can count 28 bricks in a column and 15 such columns. Correct? So total bricks would be close to 14 into 28 into 15 is equal to 5,880 or close to 6,000 bricks. Mental math. Bhajan buys bricks. Bhajan went to buy bricks. The price was given for 1,000 bricks. The price were also different for different types of bricks. Here is the price. Old bricks 12,000 for 1,000. New bricks from Itnapur 1800 and new bricks from Brickabad 2,000 rupees. All for 1,000 bricks. Bhajan decided to buy the new bricks from Brickabad. He bought 3,000 bricks. How much did he pay? Calculate please. It's simple. He paid 6,000 rupees. Guess what he will pay if you buy 500 old bricks? Yes, please calculate fast. It would be how much? 600. This brings us to the end of this learning video. Thank you for watching. We are a fast growing channel and we post new learning videos regularly. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like our channel. And please don't forget to hit the bell icon. Your likes and subscribes give us an extra drive to keep going at a strong pace. Thank you.